If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Also, click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new recipe on the channel.
Hello, Namaste. Do I look beautiful today? I mean, do I look better than before? Because I'm shooting this with my new camera, and I even shared the unboxing of my new gadget with you guys a couple of days ago. Today I'm going to share a very common recipe that's made using king of fruits, mango. And it's one of my favorite summer drinks. Made with fresh mangoes, ice cream, milk and some vermicelli. And you guessed it, it's mango falooda. This is a very simple recipe and many of you know how to make it.
But why not try it once my way?
So that you get the restaurant style taste at home. Mango lovers can also check mango lassi. And my dear friends, as I have made this video with my newest camera, I would love to get feedback from you guys on how do you like the video quality, or if you want some more improvements in the video or any other thing that you would like. Waiting for your feedback. Until then, enjoy making this recipe.
Please note the ingredients needed to make mango falooda. List is also given in description box below. We will take fresh mango pulp that tastes best. And here soak basil seeds in about a quarter cup of water for 15 to 20 minutes. Boil and rinse thin vermicelli. If you have rice vermicelli, it's better. Now we need to make puree of this fresh mango along with some sugar. Depending on the sweetness of your mango and sweetness that you prefer, adjust sugar. Add some saffron strands for a bright nice yellow color. Now the pulp is ready. No water has been added, so the pulp is thick and beautiful. Let's start serving the falooda. In a serving glass or cup of choice, put 2 to 3 tablespoons of mango pulp. Over it, some soaked basil seeds, some cold milk, some vermicelli, again some mango pulp, a little more milk. Some people like to enjoy as it is in form of mango shake. So this can be sipped up as it is on a hot summer day. But we are going to take it to a next level. We are going to transform this into an even more delightful dessert. For that, put some ice cream over it. I like to add in vanilla ice cream. If you prefer, add in mango ice cream. Some more vermicelli and little bit of rose flavored syrup. Garnish it with some chopped nuts and few mango pieces. You are the king or the queen of this mango falooda. So the sequence of ingredients, the quantity of ingredients used is to your liking, to your taste, to your mood. Enjoy it on any summer day as a refreshing dessert or a drink. Don't forget to serve it to your guests for a special summertime treat. Enjoy this beautiful looking, delicious mango falooda. So you are the king or the queen of your falooda here. Serve it in a way that you like. Thanks for watching.